Hey guys, today I'm going to pit two powerful AIs against each other, both with big claims about their programming skills, to see which one is the better programmer. I'm going to give both Google Gemini and ChatGPT the same prompt to build a speech-to-text application for me. This competition has 3 rounds. The winner will be the one that's faster and produces cleaner, more accurate, and bug-free code. So, let's get started. Our competition is between Google Gemini and ChatGPT. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, has been around for a few years, and most people agree that it performs better, especially after the announcement of GPT-5. However, Google Gemini has also made some bold claims, stating that they perform much better and offer some very useful and interesting integrations with the Google ecosystem. Okay, I'm giving my prompt, the exact same one, to both of them. I have it ready for ChatGPT. Now, let's see which one does it faster. 1, 2, 3. Incredible! ChatGPT managed to finish in 1 minute and 6 seconds, and it wrote some very long and detailed code for us. And now, I'll send the same prompt to Gemini to see how it performs. I'm sending it now. Okay, amazing! Gemini was able to generate the code in just 23 seconds. And it has some features that ChatGPT definitely doesn't. For one, it saves our code directly to the Google Drive cloud, which can be very practical. Before we check the results and see the output from these codes, be sure to like this video. Now let's go see the output. Okay, here we have ChatGPT's code. Let's run it. This is incredible. It has a really great user interface. Let's test it. Please like this video. Excellent. We said, please like this video, and it transcribed it perfectly. We can hit clear text to erase it and try again. Subscribe my channel. We said, subscribe my channel, and it wrote, drive my channel, which we can count as a bug. In my opinion, the UI is very good, but it might make in a lot of places. It also has a translate feature. Alright, now let's move on to Gemini's code. We'll copy Gemini's code, paste it here, and run it. Let's see what its output is like. Well, Gemini's output is, I don't find this very appealing. It doesn't have an interesting user interface, unlike ChatGPT's code. But let's see how its transcription performs. Subscribe my channel. Awful. Just awful. We said, subscribe my channel, and it wrote it completely wrong, just a jumbled mess. Let's clear it and try again. Subscribe my channel. It got it right this time on the second try, which is great. So, to give you my thoughts on the quality of the two codes, ChatGPT was a bit slower. Its output took about 30 to 40 seconds longer, but it had a very good user interface and transcribed almost all the words correctly. Gemini, on the other hand, gave us shorter code. It was functional, meaning it worked correctly and ran without any bugs, but it just didn't have an interesting user interface. So, you can be the judge and declare the winner of this competition in the comments. Be sure to like this video. Thanks so much for watching until the end. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our other videos. Until the next one, see you.